Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Blog. Today I'm just telling about the latest updated information about the candidate for the Accenture new joining date. So Accenture company has releases the new joining date about the 14th August. The remaining SASA and PDA joining will be upcoming or not. So guys, in this video I'm telling about the full information about the Accenture. So subscribe my channel for Technical Rajput Blog. You can also visit my Telegram group. And so guys, this is the mail from the company site from received by the candidate. Dear candidate, we are pleased to extend you joining opportunities of the Accenture 14 August 2024. As you kick-start your career Accenture, we will give you the point of contact, upper support, smooth, all that information. So guys, those who have received this information, you have to create a seamless joining experience. Information about the touchpoint accenture.com by the 18 July 2024. So guys, you have to create the seamless all the other information. So once down the visit, the countdown of Accenture will be possible. So guys, the location will be the Bangalore, and so candidate are receiving the updated information about the 2023 batch also candidate are receiving. So last candidate receiving the December. So upcoming batch for the May batch, those who have done the interview process, when will be there be interview result updated. So guys, in upcoming days there will be the chances for the candidate who is not receiving the any updated information about the PADA and SASA role. So in the first week of August there will be chances for the candidate receiving the updated information from the company side, because this is the first batch of a joining in a August batch. So most probably there will be the more joining will be the possible in upcoming days. Like in August there will be the 2 to 3 joining will be possible for the remaining candidate, those who have done their interview process in March also and Feb also. So thank you God for supporting your much as possible. So thank you. For you can also visit my Telegram where you can get the information from the updated info. Thank you.